Hi guys, and today I'm going to be teaching you how to make slime. First you need Elmer's glue and activator. I'm using Elmer's magical liquid, but you can use anything. And then paint. I'm using paint, but you can use anything, and paint's optional. I'm also using some glitter, and that's optional too. So I'm going to start by pouring that glue in my bowl. And you also need a bowl and a spoon. Then we add a bit of paint. And if there's not enough paint the first time, you can always add more, which is what I might do. Then you can also add like beads and any add-ins. Next, I'm gonna add my Elmer's magical liquid. You can see here. And just add it a little bit, because if you do add too much, you'll get stiff slime. You can see that your glue will start to like stiffen up a bit. So first or you can use like eye drops or saline solution or laundry detergent, but Elmer's activator goes best. And then when you see it starts to stick off the bowl a bit, you can start to knead it with your hands. As you can see, it's starting to stiffen up a bit. Still very gloppy. And that magical liquid isn't really a liquid. And as you can see, it's starting to stiffen up a bit and turning into slime, which I can feel it. Paint is still coming out a bit, but it's still good slime. A bit. It's a bit messy, but it's still good. And then I'm gonna be showing you guys how to make another kind of slime, which is gonna be plain slime. And then, as always, you add your glue first. Not too much, or you end up with like big slime. And then you can also add baking soda, but I'm not using that right now. Next we add our Elmer's magical liquid. slowly though, so you don't add too much. It's starting to stiffen up. So I'm gonna try working it out with my hands a bit, and if it's too sticky, you could try adding some more activator, but it's a bit too sticky right now. So I'm trying to fix that by adding some more activator. But obviously, if this doesn't work, you can use a different kind of activator, such as laundry detergent, saline solution, contact lens solution, which is basically the same thing as saline solution, and anything that works with you, you can use it. Well, and this replaces borax and contact lens solution, so it's good, but sometimes if it's slime, but it's a bit too stiff right now, as you can see. I mean, not stiff, sticky. And then when you're done, you can add some additives. Very hard to get in here with your hands sometimes. And liquid starch works too if you have that at your home. It's working so far, so good. Yes, it's slime now. And when you're done, maybe you can add a bit of paint, glitter. For me, when this slime works, I'm gonna add a bit of paint and some glitter, because the first batch, the activator and the paint didn't go so well together. So I'm making like a tiny slime right now for testing, and then I'll add more glue when I'm done. So once I get all this slime off our hands, as you can see, it's sticky. I'm gonna add a bit of paint. So I think I'm adding blue, and a sky blue shade of paint with a sky blue shade of glitter. And you can also get these supplies from a local craft store. We got all of these from Walmart, but you can go to Michael's and Target and any stores that you like with craft supplies. It worked. It made a little slime though, because I didn't use that much glue. So I'm trying to get all the slime off here. Next step, which is I'm gonna add some paint. Oops. then you can knead it, but you can obviously add the paint while you make your slime, but I'm just gonna add it after so the Elmer's activator doesn't like change the texture. It's a very small batch of slime though, but it's classic slime, I think. It's like normal slime. So you can see me kneading it here. And if you obviously don't get the right dark color, you can add more paint. And if, as I said before, you can add like add-ons like beads and that stuff. Beads, glitter, which is what I'm gonna do. Okay, so now I'm gonna be adding some aqua blue, well, sky blue glitter right here. But there, you don't have to add glitter, that's an optional step. Try to open this thing. There, we done that. And then, so we get the extra, just getting the extra slime off the edges. You can see a bit of glitter in there, but it's very hard to see. So I'm gonna add a bit more glitter to knead in there. Oh, well. So now we knead it. And if your slime is too stiff, you can put it in hot water and then soak it in there for a few minutes to get it to get it sticky again. And if it's too sticky, just add more activator. Bye guys, I hope you liked my video. Please subscribe or leave a comment down below.